For Bioness users with hydrogel electrodes, you will need the personal panel provided to you by your Bioness representative. Next, place the personal panel Velcro side down into your Bioness L300 cuff. Take the white electrode bases and align them on the cutout spaces on your personal panel. Once they are firmly fastened, remove the personal panel, being sure not to remove the bases when you do. Snap the electrode bases into the cuff ports that they most closely align with. You are now ready to attach your hydrogel electrodes. Open the pack of hydrogel electrodes. You'll notice that one side of the electrodes has a grid pattern on it, while the other side is blank. Gently separate the electrodes. And remove the plastic cover from the grid side of one of the electrodes to expose the adhesive. Place the electrode grid side down onto one of the L300 electrode bases, pressing firmly. Repeat this process with the other hydrogel electrode. Once attached, you can remove the plastic covers on the outside of the hydrogel electrodes. But save these for later to protect the hydrogel when it's not in use.